My name is Urmila Nivangunai. Today's topic is hash code, and today's date is 7th of January 2022. So today's topic is hash code. Hash code is comes under collection. That means we use hash code method to perform the operations in collection. Collection is an important part of Java language, and collection is nothing but it stores or lists the number of objects and store it in a single unit so that one can access them as per our requirement. So let's come to our topic, that is hash code. Hash code is a function or and that returns hash code value. Hash code value is unique in all over the program. So basically, hash code is a function that returns the hash code value of object on calling. That means one of the object which is executing, hash code gives us a unique integer value for that object which is executing, but it doesn't gives us a hash code value by default. For that we have to call hash code method. Hash code value is used in hash map, and hash map is nothing but a Java structure or data structure in collection framework. So hash code returns integer or 4-bit value which is generated uh, by the hashing algorithm. The process of assigning unique value to an uh, object using algorithm and which enables quicker access is known as hashing. Then why quicker access? Get We can achieve quicker access to any object. So hash code is nothing but a unique value in all over the database or all over the objects. Every object has its unique value, and by using hash code method we can get unique value of each object. Whenever we call that object, every time that hash code method gives us that unique value. That means the value of that integer or of that object doesn't change at any cost. Then hash code is unique code which is generated by JVM at the time of object creation. Uh, then it can be used to perform some operations on hashing related algorithms like hash map, hash tree, hash table, etc. When we calculate hash code for any attribute, then it remains same all the time. Then there are two different methods of hash code, and that methods can be differentiated by its algorithm, by its parameters. For example, one is parameterized hash code method and second one is non parameterized, that is default hash code method. So we'll see one by one both of them. First one is hash code with no parameter, and this method of Java Java integer is a class, not a data type. So integer class which determines the hash code for the object of any class, and integer class is a parent class of that object. Every hash code we can achieve hash code uh, by uh, using hash code method, and non-parameterized hash code method gives us a unique value of object which is running or executing. Then it uh, it gives us a value for all the instances, and that value is unique all the time. Then second method is hash code with parameter, and this method is used to return the integer value for integer number. That means in bracket or in as a parameter we are giving any integer variable, and hash code method gives us a unique value for that variable. Thank you.